favorite guest. He is a New York Times bestselling author. He's also the author of the soon-to-be-released Heal Your Drained Brain. I don't even know what that means, but I know I can relate to it. This sweetie over here is Dr. Mike Dow. He's in the house.
Thank you for having me.
So, buddy, I bet you I have this, whatever it is.
I think you do too.
Oh, yeah. See, what did I tell you? What is a drained brain?
A drained brain is when you are stressed, frazzled, and fatigued.
Yeah.
So 350 million people around the world have an anxiety-related disorder. And Rach, what I don't think people understand is, first, you know you're stressed, right? You said you didn't know what a drained brain was, but
I
you
know I have
you had it, right? But
and I think a lot of women especially tend to overwork themselves.
That's right.
Like whatever your job is or however many schedules you're balancing in your family, women put themselves at the bottom and they take everybody else's stress and we absorb it like sponges.
And it's dangerous. So what I want people to know and what I talk about in this book is, number one, there are so many natural ways to fix it that are safe.
Right.
And number two, when you don't fix it and when you don't take my advice, you are 4 times more likely to develop the number one cause of preventable death, and that's high blood pressure. And women who have panic attacks, and I give you some remedies for that in the book, you're more likely to have a heart attack. So please.
It's the number one killer of women is cardiac disease.
Yeah, so I mean, this isn't just about feeling better, it's about your life.
Well, and I think we've all known this. I mean, it's common sense that when you internalize stress, of course, it's going to affect your health.
I want to give you some natural remedies because there are so many natural remedies, and Rachel, a lot of them are actually found in the kitchen, right? So cortisol is what we don't want. What we want, Diana, and what you need a lot of, you want more GABA and you want more serotonin. Those are 2 chemicals, neurotransmitters that are going to help you feel at ease. Your body takes amino acids from your diet. So check this out. There is an amino acid found in quinoa. There's an amino acid found in spinach. So your body takes this glutamine, your body takes this tryptophan, right? And then it takes cofactors. What are cofactors? They're vitamins and minerals found in fruits and vegetables. So vitamin B6,
pepitas,
zinc, folate, also known as vitamin
cruciferous
B9,
vegetables,
right?
chickpeas.
And then one of the
you're gonna have a lot of
vitamin
fiber, girl.
C. And then one of the best things for the brain, and one of your favorites, a little EVO. We know that this is just the best thing for your brain. And voila, you balance your brain in the kitchen. Fantastic, right?
And this, quite frankly, is the way a lot of young people eat now. You go down to this Sweet Green or around the corner in our neighborhood, it's the University Place Cafe, and they make their own salads.
Yeah,
so this is an easy and accessible thing to do.
Yeah.
You're not going to tell me that donuts are good for your brain, Mike, are you?
I have some bad news. So, we saw that the way that the prefrontal cortex shrinks. We also know from recent research that spiking your blood sugar with things like donuts and French fries shrinks another part of the brain, the hippocampus. Now, the hippocampus is essential because it can help you remain resilient in the face of long-term stress. So, I
well,
like...
these are things you should not be eating a lot of anyway.
Yeah,
I mean, everybody loves a French fry if you're going to a game or you're out with your friends or something. But if you're living on 2 donuts and a sack of fries a day, you got bigger problems with your brain.
Yeah.
Now, what about caffeine?
Okay, so caffeine, I love me some coffee. I
do too.
Coffee.
I really do like it in the morning. I like the fragrance of it, kind of the ritual of it.
So moderation is key. So remember that cortisol wave?
Right.
There's also a wave of melatonin. So melatonin should obviously spike at night and then go low in the morning. So if you have 1 or 2 cups of coffee, that is going to balance your brain. But when you start having 3, 4, 5, what that does is that throws off that 24-hour natural rhythm.
I see.
Now you're drained 24 hours a day. Now you're dependent on it, but you're not sleeping at all. So, you have to be careful, and I think moderation is key, and it does sort of give your body a little bit of adrenaline.